guys, this is Krisha, and today I am going to show you an example of an actual outbound calls. I will be reaching out to a new patient to schedule them for their first appointment. They submitted online a medical request appointment form, so this was found in our website. Hopefully, hindi ito mapunta sa voicemail kasi lagi napupunta sa voicemail yung calls. Hi, this is Krisha from... Am I speaking with Cheryl? Hi Cheryl, so I'm reaching out to help you schedule an appointment with us. I can see that your preferred date would be November 22nd. So that's a Friday. Yes, ma'am. And actually, we don't accept new patients on Fridays because the doctor is out. Can I ask which location would you like to visit? Can I have your full address so that I can verify which location is closer to you? So that's Jacksonville 32225. Just give me a moment to search it here. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's the closest one. I think it's only 6 minutes away from your location. So we're open there Tuesdays and Thursdays. Do you have a preferred date and time? Oh, right. Unfortunately, we're only open on Tuesdays in the afternoon. So if you prefer a morning schedule, we could do Thursday. We have openings on Thursday, December 5th at 9 a.m. Will that work for you? Alright, and before we proceed, can I ask which insurance provider you are with? Do you have the insurance card with you right now? So that's 3-1. Is the Blue Cross Blue Shield Federal your supplemental insurance? Okay. Can I also have the member ID, please? So that's R1. Let me just enter your other details here. Can I have your date of birth, please? And your email address, please. Okay, thank you so much for waiting. I already set you up for appointments. Again, this is for December 5th. That's Thursday at 9 a.m. Yes, can I send the confirmation details via email? And this appointment is for shaving your calluses, right? Okay, we will see you on December 5th then. Have a great day. So that's the outbound call for setting up an appointment for a new patient. I hope you learned something with the call flow. And it's not a perfect call flow, and ganun naman talaga sa actual setting. You just have to be confident in asking the details because at the end of the day, you're just scheduling a patient. So ayan, I hope you learned something today, and good luck future HBAs.